I'll show you how you can set up a payment gateway on a GoDaddy website. For this example, I'm going to use 40 as an example. So first off, you have to go to your eStore and you have to click on the Manage Store and then to Payment here, right? On the box there. After that, once there, scroll down to the More options to accept payment in the United Arab Emirates because we're using 40 here. So you'll have to accept it from the United Arab Emirates. After that, you'll have to click on Choose Payment Method and a list will appear from here and you have to choose Fairy Pay, right? So 40 Pay like this, but you can see there's a couple of other payment methods we can choose as well, like Crypto.com, Paymob to check out, 8 HPPB, things like that. After that, a window will appear to ask you if you are sure and you must choose yes and add it as a payment method. After that, all you have to do is add your merchant account, which you'll receive when you create an account with 40. Once you add it, you are golden and you can begin accepting payments to 40. It's as easy as that, pretty fast, pretty simple. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.